Needless to say, not only in terms of the actual results, which at the end of the day is what is key to market behavior, but also the softer issue related to the comments that would accompany that report from Jamie Dimon, which was exceedingly encouraging. Anybody who's in the perch that he exists in, which is overseeing the biggest bank in America, but on top of that, one who is involved in various aspects of the economy, and importantly, the credit impulse, which is so important to understanding the dynamics of deteriorating credit conditions or loan demand expanding, making comments about that. I don't think it's just him talking his book, but rather is indicative of what he's seeing, and I think is very bullish, and in fact is very complementary to the view that we've had all this year. So obviously for my ears, it was welcome.
All right, Randy, let's turn to your view and whether you think the market can end the year higher than it is today. If so, what could take it there? If not, what could keep it from going there?
I think it probably will end higher, but you know, the comments from J.P. Morgan, it was supposed to be a bad quarter in earnings this quarter, but yet, you know, things are already starting out to be better than expected. That doesn't mean they're fabulous yet, but usually in the last few years, the economy has heated up as the year has gone along. So, and earnings have improved as the year has gone along. But what investors really need to focus on right now is what's coming next, what's coming down the pike, where should they be investing next, and you've talked about it already in the last hour, and we believe it's 5G. That's an area where investors need to get educated, and we're going to be working with our clients to make sure they know what's coming in that area.
So is that the phone providers, network providers? I mean, how are you investing in 5G at this point, Randy?
Right now, it's kind of tough because you want to look at fundamentals, and you know they're not great. I mean, AT&T's got 6% revenue growth, T-Mobile, all that kind of stuff. They're not burning it down. However, you got to look at the future and how things are going to shape up when 5G starts to roll out. And so the T-Mobile, Sprint, and some of the carriers, they look interesting, but also the Palo Alto Networks of the world, the Akamai's of the world, even all the way to autonomous vehicles. These are the things that are going to be really exciting and are going to get investors excited as the year rolls along and as we go into 2020.